Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add mail accounts to any iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to click on the settings icon on your iPhone, then you scroll down a little bit, then you click on mail. Then you're gonna have another option, which is you're gonna have option to add another account. So you click on the account option. So under the account option, we have another option which is add account. Although I do have about 2 accounts linked to my iPhone, so I'm going to click on add account. So right here you can click on the mail provider that you find that you have probably working for your phone. You can decide to use the Microsoft Exchange, the Google, the Yahoo, then the Outlook.com. So you can easily use the Google. Then the page is going to pop up, then give 5 minutes to load. So right here you can see sign in to continue to iOS. So right here you input your email, you input your mail, then after that then you put your password. After you do that, then you follow the prompt that comes up next. Then with that you'll be able to add mails to your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.